Welcome to Expert Viewpoints, business analysis tools in day-to-day life. In this video, experts will discuss the most commonly used software tools in their day-to-day business analysis tasks and how these tools help streamline their workflow. They will also share specific examples of recent projects where a particular tool played a crucial role in overcoming challenges and significantly impacted the project's success.
First, let's talk about Microsoft Excel, a common tool for data analysis and manipulation. You can use it to create requirement matrices, traceability matrices, and conduct stakeholder analysis. It is used for building financial models, performing cost-benefit analysis, and summarizing data with pivot tables. Its data visualization tools like charts and graphs help you easily spot trends and patterns. It integrates with other Microsoft Office tools, enabling easy data sharing and embedding data into reports and presentations. Next, let's go for Jira, a tool for agile project management. You can use it to track requirements, user stories and tasks, and to manage backlogs, sprint planning and issue tracking. By centralizing tasks and communication, it facilitates collaboration between business analysts, developers, and business stakeholders. Jira enables clear visibility into project status, progress, and workload distribution. And last, let's talk about Confluence, a tool for documentation and knowledge management, including requirements documentation, meeting notes, and decision logs. It serves as a central repository for project documentation, ensuring easy access for all team members. Plus, it integrates seamlessly with Jira, so you can easily link your documentation to a specific task or issue.
For me, the most common tool I have used on the project was Microsoft Office tools, as they are used by many companies, making it easier for stakeholders to communicate with each other, and their range of tools make it possible to detail business clearly, even those who aren't involved in the subject. One tool I used that was fundamental to a project delivery was Power BI. The client needed a report and didn't know what it would look like. Using this tool, it was possible to build a sample report with fake data, which was essential for the client to see if this was what they are looking for and for the technical area to develop the final report.
There are a number of tools that a variety of business analysts prefer. In my case, the top three tools I use are Microsoft Project, Microsoft Excel, and Jira. Microsoft Project helps business analysts plan, track, and manage project timelines, resources, and tasks efficiently. Microsoft Excel is used for data analysis, visualization, and creating detailed reports to support decision making. Jira facilitates requirements management, issue tracking, and collaboration with stakeholders and development teams.
In my day-to-day business analysis tasks, I frequently use tools like Jira, Confluence, and Power BI. Jira helps manage tasks and track project progress, while Confluence serves as a central hub for documentation, making it easy for all stakeholders to access. Power BI is invaluable for visualizing complex data, enabling faster decision making. These tools streamline my workflow by improving collaboration, ensuring real-time updates, and integrating seamlessly with other software, which boosts efficiency and productivity across the project.
I rely on several software tools that really help streamline my workflow. Microsoft Excel is my go-to for data analysis. It's super handy for manipulating data sets and generating insightful reports for stakeholders without too much hassle. Then there is Jira for task tracking. It helps keeps us organized and ensures transparency about progress among team members. Nobody likes surprises when it comes to deadlines. Lastly, I use Visio or Lucidchart for creating process diagrams. Visualizing workflows makes it easier for everyone involved to understand complex processes at a glance.
Can you provide a specific example of a recent project where a particular tool significantly impacted the outcome of your business analysis? What were the challenges, and how did the tool help overcome them?
MS Excel based requirements traceability matrix, or acronym RTM. This, in my opinion, is an essential business analysis tool for success. First of all, the impact. Centralized tracking. The requirements traceability matrix in Excel allows the team to document and track all requirements and their corresponding test cases all in one place. It provides for enhanced visibility. By using filters and conditional formatting, the team easily identified which requirements were not yet tested or had issues. This ensured nothing was overlooked. Finally, improved communication. The clear and organized matrix facilitated better communication among stakeholders, developers, and testers, ensuring everyone was aligned and aware of the project's progress. This approach helped the team manage complexity challenges, ensure thorough testing, and ultimately deliver a high-quality e-commerce platform that met all stakeholder expectations.
I recently worked on a data migration project where we needed to integrate our CRM system with new marketing automation software. We faced quite a few challenges around ensuring data integrity during this transition process. To tackle this effectively, we utilized a specific tool which offered robust data mapping capabilities that allowed us to visualize how data from our old system would map into the new platform structure. This visualization was key. It helps us spot the gaps early on and address them before migration happened, instead of dealing with them later down the line.
In a very recent project, we used Tableau for data visualization to address a major challenge in understanding customer behavior across multiple regions. The sheer volume of data made it difficult to identify trends manually. Tableau's interactive dashboards allowed us to quickly spot patterns and present findings to stakeholders in an easy to digest format. This led to better informed strategic decisions and a 15% improvement in sales within a quarter. The tool's ability to handle large data set and present them visually was key to overcome our all challenges.